With current food prices, electricity going up, and turmoil going on in the world, you need to prepare as much as possible. Now, food prices are going to keep going up. Electricity prices are going to keep going on. And turmoil is going to get worse and worse. So, here is what I want everybody to start thinking. If food prices keep going up, it is completely up to you to offset that bill. And in order for you to offset that bill, one of the things that you can do is go out and hunt. That right there should provide you with some relief. Now, it all depends on your area, what you're going to need and what you will be able to use. Now, depending on where you live, this is going to be applicable to you or not. Where I live, we have plenty of small game. And for those of you who are not accustomed to have this type of tools, I would strongly recommend you to start looking at the 22. The 22, it is a great tool to put food on the table. In fact, the 22 will keep you from going hungry. Forget about any other caliber, the 22. Why? Because it is quiet, it is small, it is easy to handle, very little recoil. In fact, the one that you see above me right now, I weighed it before I started this video. 4.5 pounds. 4 pounds and a half. That is nothing. And it was fully loaded with a magazine in it and everything. For comparison, the Savage Model 42, the way it is right now, 5.5 pounds. So 1 pound less. The 1022, 1 pound less that you have to carry. And you may think that 1 pound is just 1 pound. Well, let me put it like this. How much 50 rounds weight? If you put on top of each other until you reach that pound, you will see the difference. Now, to get it there, I needed to change a few things. The first thing that I changed, because this one didn't come with that barrel. In fact, this is my backup barrel that I weighed it before I started this video. And again, I weigh everything before I started this video so I can give you solid numbers. I weighed it with the package. 1 pound. The original barrel that 1022 came with, stainless steel barrel, iron sight and everything, but this barrel weighs 2 pounds. So I replaced it. Do I regret it? Well, not really, because when I got them on special. If you buy them right now, it's going to be almost $300. Almost $300. They're really expensive, but when I got them, I paid $160 for each one. In fact, I remember saying in one of my videos, when I got that one, I reached out to D and I said, hey man, they have more. I think I should get an extra one because this is a really good price. And that's what I did. I got an extra one. What I'm trying to say here is that the 22 is what you should be focusing on right now, especially if you want to offset food prices as it is. People may find squirrels icky. They may find rabbits not pleasant to eat. They may find, other critters like, oh, I'm not going to eat that. I'm in the USA. Why would I eat that? What do you rather do? Be healthy, be fed, or be at work 24/7 because you refuse to take half an hour or an hour a day and head to your woods and harvest a few squirrels. Few squirrels will provide you with a meal. And they are natural. They don't have chemicals like the food in the stores. No, they're natural. They're natural. Now, I understand that hunting is not for everybody, but you can also go fishing. Fishing is a good recreational bonding activity that you can do with your significant others or your children's. You can go fishing and get some food, have fun with your family. Fish, again, a lot better to you catch it than not buy it at the store. A lot better. So, something for you to do. You can always grow some food. Of course, a lot of folks are going to say, well, Billy, you mentioned self-defense, turmoil at the very beginning. But a 22 is such an anemic round That is because you had not got shot with it. I had not got shot with it, and I don't want to get shot with it. But if you feel different, or if you have experience different, let us know down in the comment section below. Would you like to get shot with the 22? Because I'm sure that 99.9% of people will say, heck to the no. Are you insane? Exactly. So when you have that, bear in consideration that when you send 10 rounds to defend yourself, ain't nobody want to get shot with the 22. Those attacking you will leave. Especially if you have several more ready to go. You think people are going to be messing with you? No, they will not. So yeah, no, don't let people tell you that a 22 is not good for self-defense or for deterrence. No, it is. They have their own bias. That's it. Again, 22 is everywhere too. So that means that you can buy it at the store, even hardware stores. I remember True Value. Buying 22s at True Value. They had it all the time. I don't know if you have True Value in where you at. Let me know if you do. Let me know if your True Value still sells firearms. The one that I had in Florida did. Going back to the whole 1022 or the 22 in general, it will be something, a tool that it will provide you the ability to provide food for you and your family. It will provide you the ability to defend you and your family. It does allow you to stock away ammunition in quantities for very cheap. That's the thing. For very, very cheap. Right there is 1,000 rounds. The ones right next to it, I use it specifically for this one. Because these ones are my preferred. Because this one I have a shusher for it. And they are really, really quiet. They're a little bit more expensive. I used to pay $33.99. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Let me see. There you go. $33.99. But I've been finding it more and more at $29.99. So I currently have like 12 cartons of this. This one is almost empty. But it was the only one that I had left with the price. So again, everyone, you do whatever you want. But I have to tell you that it works for me. It really does work for me in a 4.5 pound tool that provides me with food. It provides me with security. It provides me with fun. It provides me with training. I don't think it's something to ignore, especially with the way things are nowadays. The fuel prices keep going up. Turmoil is all over. And the ability of being able to put away as much ammunition as possible should never be ignored. Also, it should never be ignored that this is a tool that anyone can use because it has little to no recoil. With that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.